times 2 times 3 times 4 and many other days to help out.
I think sometimes we're guilty of saying, oh, this rain isn't going to do much for the drought. But in actuality, every rain system that we get helps a little bit. It starts saturating the ground, and you have to saturate the ground before you can get runoff. Eventually, we'll start seeing some good runoff. This is going to be another ground saturator, though, although we might see enough out of this to generate some runoff, because we're going to see a couple inches of rain, I think, in some areas. You're looking right now at Viper radar since about the lunch hour today, and notice we've seen a couple of rounds of showers and some thunderstorms, too. That little orange box that lit up there in western Travis County, that was one temporarily severe cell, at least a severe thunderstorm warning was issued. I'm not sure we ever saw hail the size of a quarter out of that one. We did see some hail 1 inch in diameter, or the size of a quarter, up in northwest Austin briefly late this morning. And this is the Storm Profiler radar. Right now, the blues and the greens there, that's mainly light rain. Nothing too serious going on out there. Low visibilities in light fog, but just some scattered showers around the area. Now, that's a little bit stronger storm right there. Looks like it's moving right over Inks Lake right now, back west almost to Llano and back east to near Burnett. That's going to move north. Let's put that back in motion, due north right up over Lake Buchanan. Some lightning in that, 26 cloud-to-ground lightning strikes in the last 10 minutes, most of them coming out of that cell right there. Well, this is how Austin looks right now. We are socked in with fog, patchy light rain. Our evening planning forecasts, take a look at this. This is upside down. 61 degrees now. We're going to warm, I think, by the 10 o'clock news, then warm further overnight as a little warm front sweeps through here. That's why we're so foggy right now. When you're on the north side of a warm front, you'll be a little bit foggy. Rain continues to be likely, maybe some thunderstorms also through about 10 o'clock tonight. The upper level storms sitting here over El Paso, generating our first wave of rain and thunderstorms that has moved through today. There will be more, because the storm only moves from here to here in the next 24 hours, and then to here 24 hours later by Thursday, and once it gets east of us, our rain will shut off. Some of the thunderstorms could be severe that we see tonight, or in the morning especially. Our viewing area right here, all included in the slight risk area for severe storms, large hail, gusty winds being the main threat. We should have a pretty big blow-up of rain and thunderstorms overnight, decreasing during the day tomorrow, then maybe some lingering wraparound showers, but that won't be a big deal Wednesday night and Thursday morning. Let's drill down to some specifics here for you. Between now and 3 o'clock in the morning, and mainly after 11 p.m. tonight, we should see a more organized area of rain and thunderstorms, essentially our second wave, if you will. And the red, orange, dark orange, red areas there, that's heavy downpours of rain. It also could be heavy embedded thunderstorms, possibly severe. Less opportunity for severe at 3 o'clock in the morning, but a few of them may produce some hail. Now, this is rush hour tomorrow morning. Rain showers, thunderstorms from the hill country back to the metro area, some of them strong, some of them producing some nice downpours. Then we get a break during much of the day tomorrow, including the noon hour, and then after that we'll only see a few wraparound showers, we think, Thursday morning, maybe getting into the Austin area, but that shouldn't be any big deal, and then a slow clearing. Let's talk rainfall totals. This is what our computer model says. 2 inches to the east, inch and a half of additional rainfall metro, and maybe some 2-inch totals out in the western hill country. This is the National Weather Service projection. 1.5 to 2 inches western hill country, much of the Austin metro, eastern hill country, and our northern eastern counties, 2 to 3 inches of rain. Wouldn't that be nice? All right, let's get to the forecast here. Quick check of the temperatures for you tonight. 50s and low 60s, as you can see right there. In Austin right now, we have light fog, 61 and 63 degrees. I want to get you to the pollen count real quickly. A lot of you depend on that on a daily basis. Mold's medium, and the rain has kind of washed out the cedar. A little bit of ash in the air. All right, on the forecast tonight, showers, thunderstorms, 62. For tomorrow, let's go 68. Rain, especially in the morning. But then we see decreasing activity during the day. And again, that 100% chance tomorrow is mainly early in the morning hours. Then just a slight chance on Thursday. And then we're going to dry out. We'll see a couple of cold fronts cool us down a little bit, but drier and cooler for the weekend.
Thank you, Jim.